Example 1 was simple, how to write the jQuery, how to solve it. Example 2 was to identify how to. Example 3, how to call the jQuery by ID. So we have written two. One first, another one is second. And in that we have applied a function called hide and show. Hide function will hide the element, show function will show the element. So when we wrote here b1 b1 hash represent the button ID. It says b1 dot click. When the user will click on those ID, those element whose ID is b1, then what it will do? Your jQuery will search in current page how many paragraph tags are there. If any paragraph found, maybe 1 or 2 or 3 or 100, all will be hide. Display will be none. Okay. After that, if B2 click will happen, button to click, all the paragraph will be visible. So that's called the function of jQuery called hide and show. Next come, we have some more functions we can implement and we can say. In the same file, hide show, okay, or better create a next file. Something hide show related example only, but some more functions are there. Hide show toggle, slow, fast. All file I sent in chat. Whoever want, they can download it. Okay. Create next file. Example 4.js. Next file example 4.js. HTML. Example 4.html. 4.html. Okay. In that you can write hide show, then a function called toggle. Then you can add slow, fast, and then you can add there ms, millisecond, 8 minute, millisecond as well, ms. Hello. Tell me. Yes. अभिनंदन बोलिए. ठीक है, अपना बताइए. क्लास चल रहा है अभी. कौन कर रहे? मिड वीक में है कि छोड़ दिए उसको? TCS में. कितना तीनों का हुआ कि दो का हुआ था? आपका कितना है? 7 है. 1 साल तो नहीं हुआ कि 1 साल हो गया? चलिए, अच्छा है. बताइए. अभी तो हम क्लास में ही हैं. 11 o'clock तक हम रहेंगे यहाँ पे. नहीं, कल हम रहेंगे. आज संडे है कि सैटरडे है? आज संडे है ना. हाँ, तो कल मंडे है. आप आ सकते हैं, हम यहीं पे रहते हैं. हमको आने से पहले एक बार कॉल कर लेना. कभी कभी हम 1 आध घंटे के लिए बाहर चले जाते हैं, तो हाँ, तो एक बार कॉल कर लीजिए मेरे वाला नंबर पे. फिर अरे आपका वो एक आपका रेफरेंस का एक आदमी था, क्या नाम था उसका, गंगाधर, वो क्यों छोड़ के भाग गया? नहीं, मैंने उसको मैसेज किया व्हाट्सएप में कि तुमको पैसा का प्रॉब्लम है तो हमको बोलो, मैं काउंसलर को बोल दूंगा, अभी नहीं मांगेगा पैसा तुमसे। हम्म? तो जिसके थ्रू आया था उसको भी हमने कॉल करके बोला कि गंगाधर को अगर पैसे का प्रॉब्लम है तो उसको बोलिए, हमको कॉल करे हो बताया हमको पैसे का प्रॉब्लम है, मैं काउंसलर को बोल दूंगा, 1-2 महीने नहीं मांगेगा, जो जो जितना हो उसको उतना ही दे के कंटिन्यू करे, फिर जब पैसा होगा तो दे देगा। ठीक है, नो प्रॉब्लम, देखेंगे। हाँ 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 हाँ, सबका स्टेटस हमको मिलते रहता है। 15 लाख है। ऐसा क्यों? मेहनत आपका है ना, मैं तो आपको गाइड किया। ठीक है, चलिए हम लोग का सॉल्व में देखते हैं। Okay, so we have written in this file which an example for hide so, and then one function is called toggle. While calling hide so and toggle, you can put slow, fast, and then millisecond. Slow, fast, and millisecond. Okay. So let's go here. B1 dot click hide is happening. B2 dot click so is happening, no problem. But while hiding, will pass a parameter called slow. Slow. So hide will happen little slowly. Okay, we'll pass a parameter called fast. We'll pass a parameter called fast. So it will so fast. As soon as you click, immediately it will come. Keep one more button called toggle. B3 dot click, P dot toggle, toggle, B3 dot click, P dot toggle. In the toggle, let me keep here 4000. 1000 millisecond equal to 1 second. So 4000 if we pass 4 second it will take. Toggle function, first click hide, second click show. First time if we click, what will happen? Hide will happen. First time click, hide will happen. Second time click, show will happen. Okay, hope ready. Now come down, create one more button. B3, hide. So call as a toggle. First click hide, second click show, call as a toggle. Okay, so hope your page is running. Please run it. Sequence example 4, hide, show, toggle. 4 seconds will take to hide, 4 seconds it will take to show. But it will work in both the case, hide and show both. If you remove that, normal speed will be there while hiding, normal speed will be there while showing. Okay, hope ready. Let's go next. Next file will be related to another function that is called hide. So you have made. Next we have fade in, fade out. Fade in and fade out. Example 5. jQuery have only functions. They have a lot of functions. You need to know how to use the function. What is the use of the function? Next example 5.html. Create next file. Example 5.html. You can take the copy of 4, example 4. Okay. Now example 5 is ready. In that file, jQuery fade in, fade in, fade in, fade out, fade in, fade out, fade in, fade out, fade toggle. Okay, fade in, fade out, fade toggle. So first button will be fade in, second will be fade out, third will be fade toggle, fade in, fade out, fade toggle. You will keep only one paragraph, keep one paragraph and increase the content in that. Increase the content of paragraph. Okay, it's come up now. B1 dot click remains same. P button will be now. What is the first button? Fade in. So apply here a function called fade in instead of hide. Fade in. In. Second called fade out. Fade in, fade out. Fade in, fade out. Yes. Second word, first character capital. Fade in, fade out. Fade toggle. Fade toggle. Okay. So ready? Fade in, fade out, fade toggle. 2 seconds I will give here. Now we can check this file. This is also hides only, but the way of hiding will be different. Way of showing will be different. It will feel like at the same place is being disabled, and it will show like it will same place being enabled. Example 5. Fade in. First fade out we have to click. Fade in. It is also hides only. Now toggle if you click, you will come to know. Toggle will make you more meaning. See, at the same place, it look like hiding. The way of hiding is different. Okay. called fade in, fade out, fade toggle. Which class? Wait there, finally I will command ID. So hope running, check once. Now next example will be slide up, slide down, slide toggle. Slide up means it will go up. Slide down means it will come down. Slide toggle means go up, down both. Next file you create 6.html, example 6. Example 6.html. Example 6.html. Okay. 6 will be the copy of 5. We can take the copy of fifth example. jQuery slide up, jQuery slide down, slide, SLIDE, slide up, slide down, slide toggle, okay. Now come next. Slide up will be the first button. Slide down will be the second button. Slide toggle will be the third button. For this paragraph, apply some CSS, padding 50 px, width 300 pixel, margin 50 pixel, background orange color. Background orange color. B1 dot slide up. Okay. Complete the bottom section. Okay, next come up to the jQuery part. First is slide up, second is slide down, and third is slide toggle. Okay, check once. It should work. 1 minute. I will come back. Slide toggle. Slide down button. What is not me, only. Was not given. You only read. Okay, so hope working. Slide up down. Take the example number 6. Slide up. Something wrong. SLIDE. Okay. So next, fifth was fade in, fade out. This is slide up, down. Next, write another function, another file. Example 7.html. Example 7.html. Okay. This is CSS function. jQuery CSS. We can write here apply CSS. We can write here called remove CSS. Not remove, change CSS. Apply CSS and then change CSS. Now for paragraph, remove the styling part, whichever we have written. You can reduce the text also. Okay, done. Come to the CSS now, JS part, jQuery part. P.css. P.css. And if you remember the multi-dimensional array, in the same way we have to pass here property and value. So suppose color red, color red. Do the same thing in the bottom. Color green. Color is red, color is green. Okay. Next, after that, run the page. Click on both the buttons. Text color is getting changed or not? Text color is changing. So using CSS function of jQuery, we can change the text color. CSS getting changed. Now let's add one more property. You can give a comma here. Write next property called font size 30 pixel. In the bottom, font size 15 px. Font size will also change now. Color and font. Right. So using CSS function, you can apply the CSS dynamically. Okay. Next, after that, suppose you are applying here 2, 3 property. Right is okay. Suppose if you want to apply 10, 20 property, then code will become very difficult. It will become too long. We have another option in jQuery. We can create a class of CSS, and instead of writing here the CSS directly, we can apply the class through the jQuery. That is called add class and remove class. Function called add class and remove class. So create next example, it.html. Example 8. jQuery add class, remove class. Example. Let's go next. First, we have to create a class in CSS. You can write here call add class. You can write here remove class. Add class, remove class. Okay, so for button, using the jQuery, we can apply the class, and using the jQuery, we can remove the class also. Okay, next after that, write a class, style open, style close. Write here a class called square. Write one more class called circle. Under the square, you will write background. Suppose green color, height 200 pixels. Width also 200 pixel. Two hundred pixel. 200 I'll convert into 300 by 300. Background green, height 300, width 300. Go to the circle class with their border height and radius. Border radius 50%, padding 40 pixel. Okay, so these two classes are separate. Okay, here instead of a square, you write directly as a P tag. So for paragraph tag, this feature will apply by default. For paragraph tag, that feature will get applied by default. Okay, for paragraph tag, the feature will get applied by default. Now, when we click on apply add class, come here, we have a button p dot add class. P dot add class. Give the class name in double quote. That is called circle. And p dot remove class. Give the class name in double quote. P dot add class circle. P dot remove class circle. So circle will get add and circle will get removed. Run that file. Example 8. By default, paragraph is in green color. Add class should convert into circle. Remove class square. So we have to reduce the height and width and increase the padding. Then it will fit properly. Remove height, keep 150. Width also 150. Border radius 50%. Padding 100 pixel. Then it may be fit properly and text align center. Text align center. Text align center. Color as a white. Color colon white. Okay. Check now. Add class. Circle will happen. Remove class. So using the add class function, we can add a class, and once you are applying a class, in the class you can add multiple functions, multiple property. You will not have limitation on the property. In that class, you can add multiple property together. Okay, hope ready. You can go for next file then. Next file is the example 9. Create next file example 9. Remove the CSS part. CSS you can remove. CSS you don't need in that. Now write jQuery text function and jQuery HTML function. jQuery text and jQuery HTML. jQuery text and jQuery HTML. Next, after that, you will write here do text only, view text and HTML. Okay, view text, view HTML, hope written. If you remember in HTML, JavaScript, there was a property called inner HTML. Inner HTML is like this. Inner HTML is equal to HTML. Inner HTML is equal to HTML. And inner text is equal to text. एक minute. Hello. Yes, I can hear. Say something. Wait for some time. I'll call you. Wait for some time. We'll call you back. Okay. Next, after that, inner text is like a text function. Inner HTML is like a HTML function. Come down. This is the paragraph. Go inside. Paragraph you keep under the division. Paragraph keep under the division. Keep multiple paragraph. Keep multiple paragraph. P1, P2, P3. For division, give a ID call anything container. For division, give a ID call container. Container. Now come to the container. You can write here b1 dot click, b1 dot click, create a variable here called text data equal to hash container dot text dot text hash container dot text hash container dot text. Hash container dot text. We'll go to where text data alerted. Text data alert is a text data. Okay, next after that come down below b2 dot click, write the next, that is called HTML. Container.html, we can write here text and HTML both are right here. Getting anything? Let me show you the output. Here is the result. When I click on first button, it will give me only text. Only text. We can use trim function to remove this dot dot dot. If you click on HTML, it is giving all. Paragraph also as well as text also. So it is same like inner HTML and inner text. We can use trim function here. Text dot trim, trim, and here also HTML dot trim, but there it should not work. Yes, let me try once. Trim will come, but expectation is there should not be white spaces. Still white space is coming. Trim is not going to work there. We can apply the trim here only. Trim. Let me see. Trim work here or not. Here also let me apply the trim. Going to work or not. Trim and trim. Error. Okay, so trim will not be like this. Hold on. Dot trim will apply. Okay. Here we need to apply dot clear, but not here. In the first trim happen, but remaining trim is not happening. Okay, first trim happened, yes. Before paragraph there was a space removed. After paragraph also a space got removed. Because trim function will not remove from in between. Trim function will remove the space from beginning and from the last, not from the middle. This work. Text will give you only text data. HTML will give you everything. HTML and text font. Okay, hope working. So how many examples we created? 9 examples. 9. So one more week we can sit Saturday. We can reach till 15. Sunday we can reach till 20. jQuery Ajax is there. That will take little extra time. But these all are simple function you need to know. Okay.